how to use Wise app. So basically, if you would like to use the Wise app, it is quite simple interface and it's very simple to use it. First, you want to open the Wise app, and I'm sure you've already went ahead and then created your account, and you're also even logged into your account. Now, right off the bat, when you open it up, we can say we're on the home page. On the home page, you can see earn 50 euros as an option. This will only work if we can share and win 50 euros and then invite someone, and both of us will get a couple of bonuses, right? At the bottom, you can see this option that says send money at the top, where you can simply go ahead and then send money from a certain currency to another currency and see what are the exchange rates and the recipient and the time and everything else. Once you've done that, if you scroll, you can also calculate some of the fees. You can get some exchange rate updates and so on. If you come to the card option, you'll find the option to order a debit card. On the recipients tab, you will see a list of people whom you most frequently send transactions with, or you'll also be able to find some friends. In the payments tab, you'll be able to see all of your upcoming payments, like your transaction history, your scheduled transfer, your direct debits, payment requests, and even more as well. You can also finish the account setup to be able to view this information. Now, if you click on the profile icon from the top left, you can choose whether you want a personal account or a business account, so you can apply for either of those. You can also go to settings and you can view some of the security and privacy settings, your notifications, your appearance, and so on. If you want to log out, you can tap the log out button to do so as well. And this is the way on how you can use the Wise app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.